Very good morning, everyone. Today I have got a very interesting guest here with me, Mr. Shridhar Uppin, CEO, Positron Engineering Corporation. It's good to meet you, Shridhar ji, and thank you for welcoming Dynamic Manufacturing India magazine at your factory here in Belgavi. To start our discussion, I wanted to ask, can you tell us more about your company, its journey, what you have done over decades?
Yeah, very good morning to you, Mr. Dinesh,
Thank you, sir.
and thank you for coming to Belgaum and visiting Belgaum uh, to various industries to know about the manufacturing facilities at Belgaum and to promote Belgaum as a manufacturing hub. And a very special thanks to Laghu Udyog Bharati, Karnataka, and our president for taking this initiative and to showcasing the potential of Belgaum globally.
Yes.
And okay, sir, regarding you have come to Positron, I welcome you once again.
Thank you.
And your team.
Thank you, sir.
So at the outset, Positron started in the year 1998.
Okay.
It's a first generation company. And we two friends, Mr. Venkatesh Kulkarni and myself, Shridhar Uppin. So we started this company with a small fabrication shop.
Okay.
And Positron basically a positive attitude.
Okay.
We started with a positive attitude. Let's do some business.
Okay.
Let's build something in Belgaum.
Okay.
And luckily, or you can say interestingly, we both are from Belgaum. We both
Okay.
partners.
Okay.
Native is Belgaum.
Okay.
So we thought that everyone moves outside Belgaum.
Yes.
They think future is bright.
Yes.
Overseas future is bright. Apart from Belgaum, like people are talking about Bangalore and people talk about Pune.
Yes.
People talk about US. There's so many things.
Yes.
So we thought Belgaum also should showcase something.
Yes.
So let's do it in Belgaum.
Correct.
So that way we started with this fabrications, general domestic fabrications.
Okay.
Then slowly we moved on to industrial fabrications,
Okay.
where we had to have certain challenges in fabrication.
Yes.
And basically we wanted to understand what is welding.
Okay.
In spite we both being engineers,
Okay.
we had just a basic knowledge about welding technology.
Okay.
But there is a vast information, or you can say vast study about welding,
Yes.
about areas of welding,
Yes.
position of welding,
Yes.
and all these things.
Yes.
There we came across this product called as heat exchangers.
Okay.
We had a heat exchanger manufacturing company in Belgaum,
Okay.
which was a very big size company and good company,
Okay.
which was running.
Okay.
But we have not worked there or something like that.
Okay.
We were in a different in hydraulic engineering fields.
Okay.
We were working earlier.
Okay.
It is nothing that we just copied anything
Okay.
or we came up like that.
Okay.
So when we took up this heat exchanger as a product,
Correct.
so it took us nearly around 1.5 year
Uh-huh.
to just manufacture one prototype,
Oh.
because we had to study about it.
Yes.
We had to know about it,
Correct.
because it's not copycat.
Yes.
And nothing technology cannot be copied.
Yes.
You can copy the drawings or you can copy some manufacturing
Correct.
activity,
Correct.
but not the basic theme
Yes.
in that or the basic technology in that.
Yes.
So when we studied across, then we thought that first let us satisfy Belgaum market.
Okay.
So in Belgaum, as Belgaum is known as mother of hydraulics,
Okay.
there are many hydraulic industries
Okay.
and they are doing very extremely fantastic
Okay.
in building presses,
Okay.
in building power packs, in building so many hydraulic equipments for the nationwide as well as globally.
Okay.
So heat exchangers, they used to get these heat exchangers from Mumbai.
Oh.
So what we thought, okay, we shall make this small heat exchangers
Okay.
where it will be suited for this press machines,
Correct.
where it will be suited for power packs and this thing. So we made around 5 to 6 numbers, gave it to testing
Okay.
locally Belgaum.
Okay.
So like Belgaum industries are like there, Bemco Hydraulics is there,
Yes.
Polyhydron is there,
Yes.
Orion is there.
Yes.
So we had given them.
Okay.
They tested those heat exchangers.
Okay.
They also tested it not only for hours together,
Okay.
they tested it for months together.
Oh God.
They tested it for 6 months,
Okay.
1 year time, and then slowly they placed the order.
Oh.
So that how we started. We had this confidence
Okay.
of constructing an heat exchanger
Okay.
placing it and testing it.
Okay.
So because we didn't had any equipment that time to test.
Correct.
So it had to be tested on the field.
Yes.
So the best field was our customer.
Yes.
And thanks to all of my customers of Belgavi who have supported Positron
Okay.
in building heat exchangers.
Okay.
Because those are my real front bread butter earners for me,
Okay.
for Positron.
Okay.
Till today also, they respect us. We have got a high degree of respect to all my customers in Belgavi first.
Okay.
And Belgavi is like our motherland.
Okay.
My customers of Belgavi also are like my mother. So we look at them in that position.
Correct.
We serve them
Correct.
with all their requirements. And then slowly it's happened that no heat exchangers are coming to Belgavi
Correct.
from outside.
Okay.
So it's only Positron who is dealing with all the types of heat exchangers
Okay.
which are needed in Belgavi.
Okay.
Then slowly we went on to the sectors because heat exchanger field, like you say, this thermodynamics field is a very wide subject.
Yes.
So then there are various sectors where heat exchangers are required.
Okay.
It is in sugar industry, it is in foods and chemicals, it is in pharmaceuticals, then it is in process industries, power generation,
Correct.
shipbuilding,
Okay.
windmill. Everywhere heat exchangers are used.
Correct.
But every area has got a specialized design,
Correct.
specialized area of working condition. So all these things have to be considered.
Correct.
So it's a vast investment.
Correct.
And it's a vast, what you can say that there's much time also required.
Yes.
You have to invest time, you have to invest money,
Correct.
and pitch the right sectors that you can really manufacture to the global standards.
Correct.
It's not that मैंने कुछ किया और दे दिया,
Correct.
ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. If you want to give your product, you have to give it to the best.
Correct.
Because here the name of the Positron, as well as Belgavi, as well as the country,
Correct.
everything is involved.
Ah.
So we have to have that respect for all the three,
Correct.
and then we have to move forward.
Correct.
So in this way, what we thought, okay, we'll take one sector ahead. Then we took power generation.
Okay.
Then we had to study again there,
Okay.
different properties of oil, different properties of climatic changes, conditions, and all this.
Correct.
And okay, we were successful there. So that is why here what comes, major role comes into importance is the design.
Yes.
Anyone can build a heat exchanger.
Yes.
Anyone can do welding
Correct.
if the drawing is given.
Correct.
But before the drawing has to come, we have to design it
Yes.
to the best of the, what do you say, that working, to the best of the sustainability. It has to be designed
Correct.
and see that it runs in a longer
Correct.
period. So in that fashion, then we started designing in-house.
Okay.
We have got those softwares
Okay.
which we can validate our designs.
Correct.
Globally, it is accepted,
Okay.
and through those softwares, we have the design capabilities, the drawing capabilities.
Correct.
Because here two things are involved. One is the thermal design as well as the mechanical design.
Correct.
So all these put together. Then when these are put together, then there is some standards which
Correct.
come into picture.
Yes.
That you have to do it in this type of standard.
Yes.
You have to refer this. That's why apart from this ISO, like it's a management standard.
Yes.
Apart from that, there's a manufacturing standard also.
Yes.
How you manufacture, up to
Yes.
what standards you can manufacture.
Correct.
That is called ASM.
ASM. Yes.
So American Society of Mechanical Engineers.
Yes.
There's a standard there where you refer it for the fabrication, for the testing, for everything.
Correct.
So as per that, then we were certified into that.
Okay.
We took that certification.
Okay.
Every 3 years there's a renewal.
Okay.
There's an audit. There's so many things where the jobs come into picture of that. There's U stamp, U2, R2, repair, all those things.
Correct.
Where the welders or the technical people are all qualified.
Correct.
You need the welding inspectors, you need paint inspectors.
Correct.
There's radiography.
Yes.
There's so much thing involved in it.
Correct.
So I said, okay, we shall move into it.
Okay.
Because by playing with such challenges, then only you can achieve something.
Yes.
Then you are one amongst the crowd.
Yes.
Other you are in the crowd.
Yes.
So we wanted to be something above the crowd.
Correct.
So in Belgavi, Okay.
Okay.
We are happy to have the CSME. We are certified. In my detailed discussion later on also you can
Yes.
get to know all my accreditations and
Correct.
everything.
Correct.
What is this?
Correct.
So, we have reached.
Okay. So to take a cue from you, sir, design in Positron Engineering Corporation is considered special and peculiar for each customer.
Yeah.
Can you please elaborate on the company's approach on customizing design to meet the unique engineering requirement of different site location and application? Like you said, design is something which
Yeah.
is very. So can you let us know more about that?
Now in design, we really specialize in tailoring designs.
Okay.
Okay, to suit the distinct engineering needs.
Okay.
Main is engineering needs.
Correct.
It is nothing that the need कि ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कपड़ा है अच्छा दिखता है तो इसको पहनाओ.
Correct.
It is nothing like that.
Yes.
Apart from the aesthetic look, the working condition,
Yes.
the sustainability,
Correct.
and the longevity,
Correct.
all has to be maintained
Yes.
completely. ऐसा नहीं कि what we say that from the supply 12 months is a guarantee period. It is not like that.
Yes.
That is one regulatory or statutory paper
Correct.
what we just provide. But actually we serve until the last.
Correct.
It is nothing that we don't say, look at it as that once sold we are not going to service it or we are not going to.
Okay.
So at least minimum for 5 to 6 years
Okay.
or at least 10 years
Okay.
in certain design cases. Nothing is going to happen to that.
Support is there from.
Support is there for.
Okay.
So right from the design itself, right from the selection of material itself,
Correct.
we take the utmost care and the right material is being selected
Okay.
because it has to be a good engineering practice.
Yes.
That is most important.
Correct.
It is nothing like that हाँ ये भी चलेगा, स्टेनलेस स्टील नहीं डालेगा, कॉपर नहीं डालेगा, स्टेनलेस स्टील चलेगा.
Correct.
ऐसे चलेगा का बात नहीं है.
Correct.
It's really engineering what has to be used
Correct.
and engineering has to come into picture.
Okay.
So that's why I said you cannot copy technology.
Yes.
You have to self-design it, understand it,
Correct.
and then. So that's why I say we do this as per various sites, locations, and applications. Our approach involves through analysis of each client's requirements,
Yes.
incorporating site-specific factors, application into design process, and we have this. Just now I said like flexibility and adaptability.
Yes.
That we look into it.
According
It
to
is
the
not.
need of
It
customer.
is not that ऐसा ही आने वाला, ऐसा नहीं.
Correct. It changes every site, every customer,
every customer,
industry.
every industry.
Okay.
So every day is a new day for us.
Okay. Yeah, because
Yeah,
every
every day is a
industry
new
has-
day. So we ensure that our solutions align precisely with the unique parameters of each project
Correct.
and delivering optimal performance and efficiency.
Correct. Okay.
In heat exchangers, again, there are different types.
Okay.
As the sectors increase, there are also different types of heat exchangers what you manufacture.
Correct.
Right, we are working with two types. One is the air oil cooler and one is the water cooler.
Correct.
One is shell and tube, one is with the help of fan and motor.
Correct.
The cooling is done with the help of fan and motor.
Correct.
So it is like this. So now what happens in the start, there is a kick-off meeting in the morning.
Okay.
So all our department heads
Okay.
from the design,
Okay.
from the quality control,
Okay.
purchase, accounts, all the people sit together.
Okay.
They discuss for half an hour what is the program,
Correct.
what are the projects which are on priority, which other projects are important,
Correct.
and if any difficulties are there in for manufacturing, if any difficulties are there for procuring.
Correct.
So all this is being discussed
Correct.
in the morning itself, and each and every person knows about
Okay.
each and every project.
Okay.
It is nothing that everyone is enlightened at the last.
Okay.
Something new is happening.
Correct.
So everyone knows what it is, and they know better understand what are their responsibilities and roles to play in that particular project.
Correct.
So like you can say we are a project-oriented company, project-oriented manufacturing
Correct.
setup.
Correct.
It is not nothing in mass production.
Correct.
So here again, that's what I say, the design comes into picture.
Correct.
So as per the design people explain about it. What is the uniqueness of this heat exchanger
Correct.
that we are manufacturing, where it is being placed,
Correct.
what is the importance of the customer, why it is that Positron is selected for this project.
Correct.
That's also equally important.
Correct.
Well, there are many other manufacturers also.
Correct.
I don't deny that. But okay, there is something special there is some technology which we are able to.
Correct.
Apart from the pricing and apart from all other
Correct.
requirements of the customer, basic thing is they look at us as a sustainable and what do you say that
Trusted
trusted
partner, you can
partner, you can say.
say. Yeah.
So it is something like that.
Okay. Okay.
So this is what I just wanted to
Add.
add to our design portions.
Yes.
And as you can see, we have got various small equipments were kept over there, the
Correct.
prototypes,
Okay.
where they are in the designing stage.
Oh.
They are in this development and designing stages. So whatever we do, we first have a mock-up or a prototype. Success based on that results.
Correct.
Then we enter into that sector for manufacturing.
Oh.
It's not that directly हाँ उधर हीट एक्सचेंजर का नाम आया तो हम लोग बना सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay.
So it is something there where we have to look into all the possible angles of manufacturing, all the possible angles of design, the quality standards, and most important, our capability to manufacture that.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, all the R&D happens here in this room for Positron. So, sir, we will go to the third question. Can you discuss the challenges and strategies involved in aligning design specification with multiple standard across different projects? Products. What sort of tests you do, or what sort of process you take place for the quality of your products?
Process like now one way you can say, like, how do you validate the quality aspects, if we can put it in that fashion.
Correct.
Means like now we follow all the quality standards.
Correct.
That is there. I just now explained to you what all quality standards we use, and we work accordingly. Apart from that,
Correct.
apart from that, we see that there are after sales the market,
Correct.
the customer is coming back to us.
Correct. Yes.
So that is one way that we can
Correct.
adjust ourselves or adjust ourselves that yes, we are in the market.
Correct.
People are considering us,
Correct.
considering our product.
Correct.
So we are getting repeated orders.
Correct.
Like there's customer feedbacks. We actively collect from the customers through surveys, reviews, and direct communication. Then we have got requirement analysis. So the foundation for product design, development, and testing.
Correct.
Then we have got design validations. Then we do continuous improvement, regular reviews lead to refinement, manufacturing, assembly, and quality control. Then there's post-sale support.
Correct.
That is a major thing, post-sale support.
Correct.
Addressing to issues promptly demonstrates commitment
Correct.
to the customer satisfaction.
Correct.
With quality control measures in place, Positron Engineering Corporation, which ensures the durability and reliability of its products.
Correct. And lastly, I want one straight heart-to-heart question. Can you let us know more about Belgavi,
Okay.
about the ecosystem, and Laghu Udyog Bharati overall? What all you are doing, especially more about Belgavi.
Okay. It's really a pleasure to talk about Belgavi. And to put it forward, Belgavi blend of culture, education and industry positions as it is a dynamic city and immense potential for growth and development. For example, if you start with the food,
Okay.
because ये जब शांत रहेगा तो दिमाग काम करेगा.
Correct. Correct.
So we have the diverse culinary scene. Belgaum boasts about diverse culinary landscape blending flavors from Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa.
Okay.
And you will find everything from spicy curries to the delicious sweets.
Correct.
Now for example, Belgaum is known for kunda
Correct.
and a signature sweet made from milk, sugar and spices.
Correct.
Kunda is a must try. It melts in your mouth.
Okay.
Okay, and texture and rich taste in its local flavor.
Okay.
Okay, then there is I don't know, jawar ka roti, that is
Okay.
called as jawar roti,
Okay.
and engai, badnikai, means made out of brinjal.
Yes.
That is a vegetable with that.
Okay.
That is very much famous,
Correct.
and paired with spicy brinjal and curry and a classic combination.
Correct.
Then there is biryani and kebabs.
Okay.
This is on the food part.
Okay.
So you don't say that I'm only talking about the food.
Okay.
Regarding about the culture,
Okay.
historical heritage, Belgaum has a storied past with influences from Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, and many sultanates.
Okay.
Explore the Belgaum fort, ancient temples, and colonial architecture also is there.
Correct.
Then linguistic diversity.
Okay.
The city celebrates multiple languages, Kannada, Marathi, and Konkani.
Okay.
And the linguistic blend essences the cultural fabric and fosters harmony.
Correct.
And music and festivals in Belgaum host vibrant music festivals,
Correct.
including classical concerts, folk performances.
Correct.
The Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations
Correct.
are very much lively in Belgaum.
Correct.
In handicrafts, explore local markets for intricate metal works, then hand-woven saris, wooden toys,
Correct.
and testament to Belgavi's craftsmanship.
Correct.
Then in the professional ecosystem, it is a very strategic location. Belgaum is a boundary area
Correct.
for 3 states
Correct.
like Bangalore, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Goa.
Correct.
And Bangalore and Mumbai and Pune positions. It is a strategic hub for trade and commerce.
Correct.
Then it's a manufacturing hub.
Yes.
Then in the city contributes significantly to Karnataka's manufacturing sector. In financial year around 2017, you can say, manufacture accounted for 14.76%
Correct.
of the industry of the Belgaum's GDP, surprising the nation average.
Correct.
Then industrial corridors, Belgaum lies along with Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor and Bangalore-Mumbai Economic
Correct.
Corridor. These corridors enhance connectivity and attracts investments.
Correct.
And skilled workforce with a skilled labor force and a thriving industrial scenario. Belgaum plays a pivotal role in Karnataka's economic growth. Then contribution to Karnataka and national manufacturing growth. These are some statistics what we go into it. So manufacturing excellence, Belgaum attracts 32% of the manufacturing sector's investment in Karnataka. It aims to achieve around 25% of GDP share for manufacturing in the next decade.
Correct.
And a robust infrastructure, the city's extreme road network. Nowadays you can see major highways and the new Mangalore port facility being developed, seamless connectivity for trade and exports. And tech and biotech, while the IT sector contributes around 24% in the GDP, in the state GDP, Belgaum's manufacturing sector plays a crucial role in overall economic growth. So,
Thank you.
This is all I can say about Belgaum, and we are very much grateful that you showcase Belgaum in as a manufacturing culture, as well as here the people are emotionally attached to their businesses.
Correct.
And they are self-sustained.
Correct.
They don't need free support from the government.
Okay.
They are self-developed.
Okay.
Many are first generations, and many people or many industries which have come up in Belgaum are running their family businesses also.
Correct.
Who their forefathers and their grandfathers have started with the same quality and this thing. They are also growing. So Belgaum has really a good potential growth, and we look forward that Belgaum will be a global hub again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
it
you.
was great catching up with you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.